Hi again, this is Hadas from Canva, and I want to show you the new AI feature that has been added to the Magic Studio, and that would be the background generator. I have this template and I'm just going to click on this photo. This is not a background I created. This is the original photo. And once I click on that, I'm going to click on Edit at the top white bar. And here you'll find the sunglasses, the BG generator. I'm going to click on that, and the way it works is that I need to write a prompt, what I want to see instead of this pink background. So I'm just going to ask for maybe some, I don't know, skies with pink clouds. I really like those. I'm going to get 4 options. I'm going to pick the best one, and I'm going to show you what I can do with it. So let's just give Canva a few seconds. And meanwhile, I'll just let you know that you don't need to erase any background. This just happens automatically. Now I have 4 options. I'm going to pick the best one, and I can generate it again if I'm unhappy, or I can click on this little sunshine, and here I can choose to balance the relight or maximize, minimize the relight. So let me just show you what that does. So you can see it changes a little bit, the lighting on my object. So that's a nice add-on feature here. Let's just try another thing, maybe a pink brick wall, and generate that. And you see that you get really nice results here with some light rays. I really like those. So it takes a few seconds to be sharpened, so it's a little bit blurred, I know, but we're just going to wait a little bit, and I'm going to show you that I can take this background, and again, without removing it, I can adjust it. So when you hit edit and adjust, you can just shift this to the side, and you can click on background, and then you can play around with the background. You can blur it, you can color it, you can filter it. So you can do the same thing with the foreground, which means it's going to be my model right now. I could also do that with a blur effect. I don't have to go to adjust, so you have a few options to do sort of kind of like the same thing. So I really love these options, and I want to show you that I can also detach her and grab her. Let's just go to the Magic Studio and hit the magic grab. And once I grab her, the reason I do that is because I want to give her some kind of shadow. So it'll be much more realistic, as if she was standing next to this wall. So I'm just going to grab her. Canva's going to do an amazing job. I just know it. There it is. See? Now she's detached, and I'm going to go to edit and click on the soccer ball, and let's do a drop shadow. Now I think it looks very convincing. This is it. I really love this feature. I have so many more to show you.